morning, everyone. Where's everyone? Good morning.
Wait a minute, everyone.
Hi, Aishin. Hi,
Good
Haya.
morning.
Good morning. I'm looking for a pen. Give me 1 second. Okay. So, today's our first agenda is competition. You saw the poster, right? But I'll still present it. 1 second.
What competition?
We have many competitions coming up. Remember?
Is it a reporter one?
It is important.
He's saying, is it the reporter?
One is yes, mini reporter. That is important. And the next one, spelling bee. I think
Oh,
someone
I'm good
mentioned
with
that,
that.
right?
I like spelling bees.
So first, let me ask about news reporter. Who's interested in mini news reporter?
Me. Yes, I also joined.
How
Me.
about you raise your hands? I just want a confirmation today. Okay, Haya is interested. Al-Fatih is interested. Good. Haya's name actually I have not written. Al-Fatih I have written your name. Amila I have written. Aishin I have written. Milan also gave the name. You are not interested? Everyone turn on your cameras. I'll give only attendance to only Joanne, Haya and Al-Fatih. No one else will get attendance from you. Keep your cameras on. John, do you know what you raised your hand for?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. So shall I write your name? Joanne, I would like you to speak up, please.
Yes.
Okay, this is for mini news reporter, okay? Presentation is for 1 to 2 minutes and you will have to present a short news. Maybe you can change, bring modulations. You can even use props, simple props if you want. Maybe a
Okay.
chart or a picture, things like that if you want. It is your choice. Just refer some news online. That would be very helpful. Maybe before the competition, you prepare and come.
We can do it in Canva?
No, you don't have to look and read. No looking and reading, Haya.
Oh.
No Canva. Ihan, you're not interested? It's a competition. It would be nice. There would be prize. Okay, you can put your hands down. Thank you so much. And the next one is spelling bee.
Spelling bee?
Yeah.
Is it November 12th or November 5th?
This is on November 12th. Mini news reporter is on November 5th. So here, teacher will say a word, you will spelling correctly. So the
I will be just an online, right? I'll participate.
Okay. I'm writing Navita. Haya.
Yeah, I want the spelling bee.
Yeah, definitely I have written your name, Aishin. John, not interested?
Ma'am, you know why? Because I've learned a lot since first time I got third place.
That's good.
I have my medal still.
Ihan, you're not participating for anything? Ihan?
I don't think Nehan can hear.
What? You're not participating for any of the competitions?
Me? No. अभी को मैं ये जो भी है भेज डालना WhatsApp में. वो spelling bee क्या क्या competition. भेज डालते instructions लिख तो है. Okay.
What happened, Al-Fatih?
Nothing. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, can I also just ask my mother for a sec?
Yeah, ask and come quickly. Lazel, Sidra, we are discussing about competitions.
I think one have a new haircut.
Are you interested in mini news reporter? Lazel, Sidra?
I don't know what is about news.
It's like you will take a piece of news. You can find it online, right? Google is there, ChatGPT is there, even YouTubes are there. So 1 to 2 minutes use, not long news. It should be just 1 to 2 minutes. You will present it, not using Canva. You have to say it orally. Maybe you can bring a globe to show simple props. If you want, you can use charts. You can use.
Ma'am, these competitions are these competitions like supposed to be done like when we meet each other or something? No, right?
Done in auditorium.
Oh, like that. Not in the when we go to there we'll have different.
Layton, Sidra, please turn on your camera. Amila, turn on your camera.
My mother told
My camera is on.
My mother told if you like it, you can go.
Yeah, it's your choice. If you want, just go for it. Layton, not interested? Why thumbs down? Al-Fatih? You should have thumbs up.
Just for fun.
Not interested.
Ma'am, there is something.
Yes, Ihan?
Ma'am,
Yes.
I have searched the Google Mage Hybrid Learning. Like that, the Mage logo.
Ma'am, say to Sidra, she didn't hear any of them. So maybe she will participate.
We are having two competitions. One is spelling bee competition, which is on November 12th, in which teacher will say a word, you have to spell it out. So, like that, many words.
Now, are you November 12?
1 second. And second is
November?
news reporter.
November 12.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Can you hold on? Please mute. So, second one is
Okay.
news reporter, in which you will pretend like you are a news reporter and you will say out a news. So, are you interested in any of the competitions? Sidra?
No,
Not even a single one?
no.
See, one, your mage coin will be there, then competition prize is there. Also, it is a platform for you to shine. Yes, Amila. You raise your hand.
Is it November 12?
Spelling bee is on November 12. Mini news reporter is on November 5. So both are there.
5.
Yes, 5. What happened? You are not available on 5? So I'm
Yeah,
giving
we
the
need
names.
to.
Just one more thing. Did everyone inform at home regarding the sports day? November 30th?
I told my mom. My mom said we can't come.
Okay, Alpha, you cannot come. You are
I-
in India right now?
Because I'll only come to UE on
I can
February 20. Ma'am, I can come because I've raised my hand.
Haya can come.
Ma'am, I
Ashin
can't-
come.
I can't come because I am in Saudi, not UAE.
Okay.
I wanted I can come, ma'am.
What happened, Aishin?
I can come.
You can come. Okay.
No, I can't.
Where are you right now?
Qatar?
What about others? Faisal, Rehan, Sidra, Johan?
I cannot come. I was in the UAE and then shifted to India.
You're going to India.
I'm in India, ma'am. I can come in online class.
Laisel, I know I have already informed. What about Johan and Rehan?
Ma'am, where I come? You cannot come.
Where are you, Rehan?
Where I come?
Ma'am,
Dubai.
Location will be shared within few days, okay? I don't know that.
and ma'am, I know that Barira will come because she said that, but then she is.
Waheda, ma'am. I Waheda, ma'am.
Rehan, your voice is not clear. Could you type in chat box, Rehan? Also, what is wrong with Johan? Why Johan is not able to come? Johan,
Yes.
why you are not coming? What happened?
Yes.
Johan, if you are there, you are supposed to come, right?
Ma'am. I am not not sure, but I need to ask my dad, not mom.
Maybe the location will be shared within a few days, okay? Then we can
Okay.
just confirm.
Ma'am, did you note down Barira?
Varira's coming. Varira informed me yesterday that she's coming.
Me too. But then I don't know where we are going.
Just one thing. Have you all informed your home to your parents? Did you inform?
Yeah.
Yeah, I informed, but I didn't inform my dad.
Indra, have you informed? Does your uncle know?
My father said okay.
Okay, so most
Ma'am,
of you have
I will tell tomorrow.
Amila, I have informed your mama, so that's fine. Okay, thank you so much, everyone. I'll see you tomorrow. I'll give the names today, okay? Bye bye.
Okay.
Have a good day. Shiny Mom is here.
Bye.
Oh, I like how you
Oh, PYB1